What is the color of the excavator?
There's two excavators new. There's a new one. It's a orange one.
Yeah. Then
I'll say orange.
the other one. What is the color?
Yellow.
Wow. What is the color of the stone?
Gray.
Stone? Yeah, gray. But the stone at the sea with sand at the Boracay. What is the
No.
color?
But I just saw a sun pretend to be a rock.
Where?
Right there. I just touched it.
Mm-hmm.
And I just throw it on the chicken. And also the pig. Look like a snowball.
The color of the sand. What is the color of the sand?
Gray, yellow.
Why?
Brown.
Where did you see the yellow sand?
On the beach.
From where?
Boracay.
The Boracay?
Yeah.
At the sea. What is the color of the sea?
Blue.
Blue. What is the color of coconut leaf?
Green.
Green. What else?
That was that size favorite one.
Yeah. What is the color of the pig?
Pink.
Pig?
Pink.
It's a pig?
Yeah, because pigs are pink.
I think it is white.
I just saw it right there. It's
Yes, there's
actually pink.
black pig and also white and
But I just saw only pigs. But I just saw real pig is only pink.
yeah.
Because P starts with pig and P starts with pink.
Yeah.